Okay guys, I've got a pot of water here. I'm going to put it on the stove to cook our noodles. You can use whatever kind of oil you have, just regular cooking oil. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons in our electric frying pan, or your frying pan if you're cooking this on your frying pan. And I have some peppers and onions. We're just going to throw them right in. I had already cut some up the other day. So we're going to be cooking these egg noodles. That's why I put the boiling water. That's why I have the pot of water on the stove, because we're going to be cooking these egg noodles. Just follow the directions for the cooking on the back of the bag. So I'm going to put in 1 bag of frozen mushrooms. Just going to put it right in. We're going to cook our hamburger. We're going to break it up. Take a pound of hamburger, and this is lean, and we're just going to kind of break it up and put it in our pan right with our onions, peppers, and mushrooms. This is a quick, delicious meal. Let me wash my hands. Now we're going to add a little bit more salt. I'd say about a half a teaspoon. And about a half a teaspoon of pepper. Do you guys like the way I've set up where you can see my whole kitchen and see me cooking, and the lighting is better? It took me forever to figure this out. So anyway, I'm a morning person, so any videos, I very rarely shoot late in the afternoon because I'm wore out. By the time I get up around 6:30 and I start going, I don't stop. But around 4 o'clock, I'm like, I can't shoot nothing else. I can't do anything else. So we eat supper early. So whatever I've made at supper, unless I'm taking it to somebody. And I was craving this, so that's why we're having it. My version of beef stroganoff. The weeknight version of beef stroganoff. Let's just say that. Okay, what we're going to add is a seasoning. And you don't have to add, we're going to add this. It is Kinder's prime steak seasoning. It's delicious, guys. It's delicious. Okay, it looks like our water is ready. We're going to pour in these noodles. Okay, we've got our noodles in the pot, and we're going to put in about a half a cup of beef broth. About a cup of beef broth. Then we're going to put in 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. And I guess this is gluten-free. Oh, it's organic. I saw it at the store the other day and I got it. But Campbell's works just as good. Whatever you have. I just grabbed some the other day. It was on sale at the store I was at the other day, so I grabbed it. Wow. So now we're going to put the lid on and we're going to let it simmer till our noodles are done, and then we got one more addition and we are done. In the comments, let me know how you're doing. If you're having a bad day, if you're having a good day, it's okay. Sometimes we just need to share. You can share with me. Sometimes I have good days, some days I have bad days. I understand. So sometimes you think people don't want to hear about it. Well, today, in the comments, if you're having a good day, let me know. If you're having a bad day, let me know. It's okay. Either way. I am actually having a really good day today. Okay, so we've got our noodles all drained. I'm going to be eating in just a few minutes. See how fast this is going? We're going to need 1/2 cup of sour cream. Just pour it right in. Okay, we're going to turn off our heat, and we're just going to add in our sour cream. Turn this off. We're going to take this off the heat. So we're going to let this set. I've got my noodles here. We're going to let this set for about 5 minutes, and we're going to come back and we're going to serve it. This would have been a great dish for Sunday dinner. All right, guys. It is time to dig in. And see, I like that sauce on my, I just kind of go in there a little bit and just grab some of that sauce on my noodles. Oh my gosh, guys. See, that's why I like mine saucy, because it drenches those noodles. How lucky. I got a mushroom, I got some hamburger, I got pepper. Maybe there's an onion in there. Woo, big bite. Hot bite. You're gonna love it. I think your kids are gonna love it. I think you're gonna love it. Oh my gosh. I took all those noodles, I poured them right in that sauce. It's gonna drink it up. This is done. It is spectacular. You can serve it all in one pan, and you've got a delicious meal. You can top it with a little bit more salt and pepper, and you have a delicious, delicious meal. I'm trying to share with you some simple, easy recipes that you can make quick during the week. Maybe you can make this and have it for a couple nights, but you can make quick and easy, inexpensive meals for your family that taste spectacular. Just taste spectacular. You guys go, you're the best audience on YouTube, and I cannot believe that you watch me. I'm just amazed, and so I want to give you the best I possibly can. You guys go, have a wonderful, wonderful day, and you are YouTube. Remember that.